Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad 2024 to 2025, which was held on October 22nd, 2024, Class 2, Question Paper Set A. Here you are supposed to write your name, SOF Olympiad number and contact number. So total questions will be 35 and time will be 1 hour. So guidelines for the candidate are: you will get additional 10 minutes to fill up the information about yourself on the OMR sheet before you start the exam, and you have to write your name, school code, class, section, roll number and mobile number clearly on the OMR sheet, and as well as you have to sign on the OMR sheet. You are not supposed to forget about it, so that they could share your marks, result and other information related to SOF exam on your mobile number. The question paper comprises 4 sections: logical reasoning 10 questions, mathematical reasoning 10 questions, everyday mathematics 10 questions, achiever section 5 questions. In achiever section, each question carries 2 marks, whereas other questions carries only 1 mark. All questions are compulsory, there is no negative marks, and you have to tick only one correct answer. Choose only one option for an answer. You have to use HB pencil. See, for example, 16th question: Raghav drinks 10 glasses of water in one day. If he drinks same amount of water every day, then how many glasses of water will he drink in 1 week? So, if A is correct, you have to darken A option only. Rough work will be done in the blank place provided. OMR sheet to be submitted to the invigilator. So quickly see the first section, logical reasoning. First question: if swans T and F are removed from the given arrangement, then swan dash is third from the left end. So left side is given clearly. So T and F are removed from the given arrangement. So this is one, first one, second one, and R is third one. So we are supposed to find out the third one from the left end. So option B is the right answer, children. Second question: find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. Here we are given with 3 figures. First one, 11, 14, 25. So what rule will be followed over here, children? So adding the 2 numbers, 11 plus 14 is 25, 8 plus 8 is 16, and question mark 7, 21. So 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. 1 minus 7 will not go, so take a borrow, it becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 went to borrow, so it becomes 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 14. Option A is the right answer, children. Third question: select a figure from the options in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. So this is the part of the figure we have to check in which is exactly embedded in which option. So in option A it will not fit. In option B also it will not be embedded. In option C it's exactly embedded. So option C is the right answer, children. Fourth question: how many shapes on the given board are drawn using curved lines only? So we have to select only the figures which are having curved lines. So triangle is not having curved line. This is having curved line. Square is also not having curved line. Circle is having curved line. Rectangle is not having any curved lines. This figure is having curved lines. This is a semicircle. So polygon is also not having curved lines. So crescent moon is having curved lines. So how many figures are there with curved lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. So option D is the right answer, children. Fifth question, if the day after tomorrow will be Sunday, then the day before yesterday was dash. First, suppose today is, first we are supposed to find out day after tomorrow, tomorrow, today, yesterday, day before yesterday. So what is given? Day after tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow will be Saturday. Today will be Friday. Then yesterday becomes Thursday. Day before yesterday is Wednesday. So option C is the right answer, children. Sixth question, if boat is called ambulance, ambulance is called hot air balloon, and hot air balloon is called aeroplane, then dash is a road transport. So ambulance is a road transport. Ambulance is called hot air balloon. So option A is the right answer, children. Seventh question, if this figure is related to 5 in some way, then in the same way this figure is related to dash. So in the first figure, how many unshaded are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in the same way, second figure is having how many unshaded? 1, 2, 3. So option D is the right answer, children. Eighth question, arrange the given items in the descending order according to their length. So 1, 2, 3, 4 crayons. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crayons are given. So R is 4 crayons. Q is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length of Q is 5 crayons. Length of P is 1, 2, 3. So length of P is 3 crayons. So if we arrange in descending order, Q, R, P is the right answer. So option C is the right answer, children. Select the odd one out. See, in first figure, in option A, the arrows are pointing towards inside. In option B, arrows are pointing towards inside. Option C, arrows are pointing outwards. So option C is the right answer, because in option D also arrows are pointing towards inside. So odd one is option C. Dash groups of 4 pigeons each can be formed from the given pigeons. So we are supposed to group 4. So first group, second group, third group, and fourth group. So how many groups are formed from the given groups of pigeons? 4 groups. So option B is the right answer, children. Mathematical reasoning, second section. 11th question, how many curved lines are there in the given figure? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So option B is the right answer, children. 12th question, which of the following gives the odd number? So ones place, tens place. Let's add ones place. 8 plus 1 is 9. Tens place, 7 plus 3 is 10. So option A is having odd number. Option A is the right answer. Directions 13 to 14. The given pictograph shows the number of plants planted by the students of different sections of class 2. Study the given graph carefully and answer the following questions. Sections are given, number of plants planted are given. So P, 13th one, students of section dash planted maximum number of plants. So P is planted 5, Q is planted 4, R is planted 6, S is planted 3. So R is planted maximum number of plants. So option D is the right answer. 14th one, how many total plants were planted by the students of sections P, Q and S altogether? P 5, Q is 4 and S is 3. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. So each plant stands for 2 plants. So 12 into 2 is equal to 12 to 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 24, option C is the right answer, children. 15th question, which of the following items is the lightest? So 15 to 10 kg, 3 kg. So option B is having lightest weight. So option B is the right answer. 16th question, which of the following options represents the correct subtraction sentence for the given picture? So how many are subtracted? Let's count total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many are removed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the sentence will be 15 minus 6. Option A is the right answer, children. 15 minus 6 is 9. 17th question, the given clock shows dash. Hours and is showing after in the middle of 6 and 7 and minutes on 10. So 10 to 7 is the right answer. 18th one, while playing with the abacus, Mehul lost one bead from the tens bar and now his abacus looks as shown here. What was his actual number? So let's draw one bead on tens place. So we could find his actual number. 100 place is 1, tens place is 4, ones place is 3. So 143. Option C is the right answer, children. 19th one, which of the following objects is the costliest one? So 250, 390, 275, 190. Option B is having. Option B is the right answer. 20th question, which of the following options shows the same result as the temperature shown on the given thermometer? So it is showing 70 degrees Celsius. So 30 degrees plus 40 degrees plus 30 degrees is the right answer. So please subscribe my channel for the second part. Right, children? Bye, children.